Good day, Chona.
Good day, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Chona Vega, 37 years old, married. I have 2 sons, age 15 and 13. I have 4 sisters and 6 brothers. I am the 6th child of the family. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years, taking care of newborn baby. My household chores is cooking, cleaning, marketing, and gardening.
Okay. Chona, if you get her, who will take care of your children?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have someone to take care of your family if you work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
What time do you usually wake up and sleep when you are working abroad?
I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning and I sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening, ma'am.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times in a week do you go to market?
Thrice, ma'am.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
I am a responsible mother, ma'am.
Okay. Are you a hands-on mom to your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you an easygoing mom or a disciplinarian one?
I am a disciplinarian ma'am.
Okay, in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I am very patient for the child, ma'am.
Okay, if your employer have kids, what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I give them toys and coloring books, and they can do painting or coloring, and then I can do my own work.
Okay. How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you a set of rules they like and don't like to do, or is it up to your style to do?
My employer is very nice, ma'am, but they allow me to do my own style.
Okay. Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
Oh, can you sing a nursery song for me, please?
Yes, ma'am. Baba black sheep, have you any more? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full.
Okay, Chona, are your teeth natural or false teeth?
Natural, ma'am.
Okay, Chona, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.